how to transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open your Tonkeeper wallet and click on the receive option to get your deposit address. Ensure you send USDT using the TON network. Sending the wrong type of currency can result in lost funds. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code if you're using two devices. Open the Binance app and navigate to the Wallets section at the bottom. Search for USDT in your wallet list. Click on USDT. Select Withdraw via Crypto Network. Paste the copied Tonkeeper address in the address field. If the network doesn't auto-detect, select the Turn Toncoin network manually. Input the amount of Usdt you want to transfer. For example, I'm transferring Usdt. No memo is needed for this transfer, so you can leave that field blank. Review the transaction details, then click Withdraw. Complete the verification process using a code or biometric authentication. Once confirmed, the transaction will process. Go back to Tonkeeper and refresh the screen. Your USDT should now appear in your wallet. That's all for the video.